Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubu and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much. The different skin types and the oils that actually go with the skin types. Yes, we have different kinds of skin. We have oily skin, we have dry skin, we have combination skin, we have sensitive skin. You just have to know the kind of skin that you have, okay? And there are also oils that go along with this particular skin. If this is what you are looking for on this channel today, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, let's talk about oily skin. An oily skin type is exactly what it sounds like, an excess oil on the face, which produces a persistently shiny or greasy appearance. And if you don't treat your oily skin, pores can become clogged and enlarged, and dead skin cells may accumulate. Blackheads, pimples, and other types of acne are also common with this skin type. These are the oils good for oily skin. Jojoba oil, tea tree oil, squalene oil, marula oil, rosehip oil, and argan oil and sunflower oil. All the oils mentioned under oily skin are very low in the comedogenic rate and can be used without worries. They are pretty light and easily penetrate into the skin. Why you need oils? Don't have the thought of why do I need to add more oils to my skin when I am battling with oily skin. Research shows that the use of the right oils for oily skin can help balance oily skin. The mistake people with oily skin make is that they try to wash often in order to reduce the oil on the skin, but that only makes it worse. Your skin then is forced to produce even more oils in order to make up for the oils missing. But when you use the right oils, the excessive production of sebum in the glands reduces and balances. Let's talk about dry skin. Dry skin simply means the lack of sebum production from the skin. This could also mean that the skin is highly dehydrated. Yes, dry skin can have causes that aren't due to underlying diseases. Examples include dry environment, frequently washed hands, inadequate hydration, swimming in pools, jobs, and yes, it could be hereditary. A cause for concern or maybe not. However, seeing a dermatologist isn't such a bad idea. Anyways, there are ways to manage it by simply moisturizing regularly. How do you know if you have dry skin? If your skin feels flaky, cracked, with fine lines and wrinkles or tightness, especially after a shower, then you have dry skin. These are the oils good for dry skin. Coconut oil, sweet almond oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, maracuja oil, Moroccan argan oil. With the oils mentioned, you can use them when making your formulations like creams, butters, oils, even in your black soap. Thirdly, let's talk about combination skin. What is combination skin? Combination skin is simply having oily skin in some areas of your face and dry skin in other areas. Typically, there's a mix of oily and dry areas on different parts of your face, with the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin being slightly to very oily. So if you have this type of skin, then just combine the oils for oily and dry skin I mentioned earlier. So guys, if you know this channel is educative and you are enjoying the topic, What are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Please support your girl. Subscribe. Let's talk about sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is a common issue but not a medical one. Sensitive skin simply means a skin that is more prone to inflammation or adverse reactions. People with sensitive skin may have strong reactions to chemicals, powders, and fragrances in products that come in contact with the skin. Oils for sensitive skin should be rich in fatty acids so to reinforce the skin's barrier. These are the oils best for sensitive skin. Avocado oil, marula oil, sunflower oil, chia seed oil. So that's all I have for you guys. So if this was educative, like I said before, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so very much for watching.